Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be changing the PCV valves on a 2013 Nissan Skyline. The tools that you'll need: I have a bird beak pliers out, 10mm wrench, and a socket set. I have the long reach on because it's going to be down in that area, so it's easier if we have a long reach tool to get into that area. And of course I have the valves in here. I'll show you what those look like. There we go, and there's your part number. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing first is just to remove the top covering from the engine here, and then we'll get a move on. Okay, now that we have that top covering off, you'll see it exposes the area, and you can just follow these to where the PCV valves are. There's one on that side, and the next one is at the other end of this line. So I'm going to be changing them one at a time. And to change, what we'll do first is, if you see, there's a little clip right here. We're going to be opening this clip, removing this hose using our pliers, and then I'll just go in with the socket set to just unscrew the PCV valve. So it's an easy enough change. Alright, now we have that undone. As I said, I just removed the clip here, or the clamp, and it exposes the PCV valve right there. Let's get that out of our way, and we'll just go in with the long reach set here. Makes it much easier, and we'll unscrew that. Alright, a little bit of righty tighty lefty loosey, and you just get that right on out of there. So let me just test this one. Sounds a bit clogged, and we'll just put the new one in. Just for comparison, this is our old one, this is our new one. Sounds a bit clogged. This one is a lot better. So we'll just pop that right on in there. And just kind of tighten that to our hand, and then we'll just go behind with the socket set to get the rest of it all tight and snug. Just remember not to over tighten. Alright, now that that new one's in right here, we'll just pop the hose back over, and then once we push it down, we'll just go ahead and retighten that little clamp right there, and we're all done. Alright, now we have that on nice and snug, and the one on this side we already changed. Just for comparison, here are the two old ones. So no movement at all in this one, and this one barely moves. Once you've finished setting up, just put your cover back on, retighten your screws, and it's all done. Very easy job. Alright guys, see you next time.